Hello everyone, welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to add a cinematic slow zoom in Premiere Pro. This is one of the easiest transitions that you can create in Adobe Premiere Pro. So first of all, as you can see, we have this video right here. Now this is just a sample video, so just ignore it. So let's say we want to zoom in just like in the movies, right? A cinematic slow zoom. So what we can do is we can go here and type in, click on the toggle animation, left click on the scale, make sure it's on the left side here, make sure it's on the start of the video. Then you will go a little bit, a couple of seconds, on the video, right? Couple of seconds forward, and then just type in 110 and let's play it right here. As you can see the slow zoom, right? But you can make it slower if you want to by going and dragging this along, right? So this is a little bit slower, right? Or you can make it faster like this, right? For example, right? Or you can, play around with it like this, right? For example, if we go here, right? Now you cannot see really zoom here because the guy is moving and it's not really a good video sample, but this is basically what you can do, right? And how you can play with it. If I drag it right here, it's a fast zoom, right? But if I drag it right here, it's going to be a slow zoom, right? Depending also on how much I set this right here. So that's pretty much how to add a cinematic slow zoom in Premiere Pro. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.